No matter how long time goes by, I'll still be in love with you.
Hey.
This one goes out for y'all, for all the lovers around the world. Just everybody, grab that special someone and let them know how you really feel about them. First one together with Hot Chick, CJEP.
Ay, gusto sanang halikan at yakapin ka. Sinta, ano ba? Ang dapat kong gawin? Pwede bang sabihin mo sa'kin? Kahit di alanganin.
Wala kang mga bayan! Ibig-ibig ko ang Pilipinas! Ito ang tahanan ng aking lahi! Ako'y kanyang kinukupkop at tinutulungan! Handa namin ipagmalaki na kami ay Pilipina!
I got my swagger back. Listen to the track. Let's get it on.
I can't tell you what it is, I can only tell you what it feels like. Right now I feel like it feels like I still fight while I can't fight.
Hell breezy. Listen to the track.
OMG, oh why you looking at me? Wanna make me feel like I'm the only girl in the world, like I'm the only one that you'll ever love.
Open Gangnam Style.
She call me Mr. Bombastic, really fantastic. Put me on me back, she says I'm Mr. Woo.
Oh my God.
Ay, bakla nga. Ay, bakla. Ay, bakla.
Oh, bakla na ako. Mula noon, ngayon at magpakailanman. Pero ikaw bata ka. Paglaki mo, magiging bakla ka!
We run this mother. We run this mother. Who run the world? Girls. 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 Who run the mother? Who run this mother? Who run this mother? Who run this mother?
Hey DJ, where's the bass? Oh! Back to the old school. Hey, oh, hey, let's go.
Lord, give me a sign. Open Gangnam Style. Open Gangnam Style. Open Gangnam Style. Open Gangnam Style.
I'm a motherfucker gentleman. I'm a motherfucker gentleman. I'm a motherfucker gentleman.
Yes, I got my swagger back. Yes, I got my swagger back.
Nigga X about me, nigga X about me, nigga X about me, nigga X about me. I'm a hustler, I'm a hustler, homie. I'm a hustler, I'm a hustler, homie. Nigga X about me, nigga X about me. I'm a hustler.
私はヘルメスの羽を食らい、
Nalulungkot ako kapag nakikita kang lumuluhad. Alam ko na magmamahal mo, di na ko muli kasasaktan na talaga ako sa mga nangyayari sa atin. Siguro'y dahil sa gulo, ako na lang ang siya lalo. Alam ko naman na sa'yo ko natagpuan lang sinta paalam.